hey y'all, listen, I'm about to try something today and I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm gonna try to put my foot in it.
To put one's foot in something means to do said something exceptionally well. Let the church say amen. Okay, bye.
I'm using the feather crochet today, but not in miracle knot form. We're not doing miracle knots. I'm gonna take it back to the original purpose, which is just to be knotless. I'm gonna just do a crochet set, y'all. But here's why I'm a little bit petrified, because I'm using kinky straight hair. Now, that's not the real issue. The real issue is I'm trying to do it with no leave out. If I feel I just have to have a leave out, I will use very little as I can, because my hair is fine, guys. If I want it to be super seamless, which I do, because I'm not doing it to be ignorant. Okay, I'm doing it for folk to be like, girl, I know that ain't no crochet, and for me to be like, girl, yes it is. I have 5 bundles of 18-inch kinky straight feather crochet from Ywigs. Ooh, baby, this feels so good. Feels so real. Remember that song from Parenthood? Honey, she was singing. Y'all know feather crochet by now. It has this little thread in between these 2 sections of hair. And the purpose of the thread is just however you install it, it gives a knotless appearance. Y'all, this feels so incredibly good. I have no clue what my braid pattern is about to be, anything. I don't even know if I'm gonna use braids. I don't know. Hey, let's figure this out together, y'all. We are about to figure something out together. I have absolutely no clue what I'm about to do with this hair right here. Well, I know what I'm about to do, but I don't know how I'm gonna go about it. I don't know how I'm going to approach it. It's ways. Turn to your neighbor and say ways. It's ways we can do this now. And of course, I could just throw this in, have all the leave out. We know that. So if you just want to bypass all the extraness, honey, and just get it in and have your leave out, especially if your hair is longer than mine, it's gonna blend perfectly. You ain't got to do none of this decision making that I'm doing. Have you a little leave out all around, especially if you want it up in a ponytail. You know what? Do I want to do a vixen crochet? Chad, nah, I just done confused myself. I don't like being confused. Still want no leave out though, but I want to vixen it, which requires leave out. Dang, let me think. I don't know, y'all. Let's figure this out together. I'm gonna do something. So stay tuned to see what I do. Yeah, hit that subscribe button so you join the family, join the fun. Ywigs, this is soft. Y'all, this is so soft. Very high quality. I'm gonna knock that dent out of there. It's packaged up like this. So I'm gonna throw some heat on this anyway. Let's see what I'm about to do with it. Hold a minute.
You anymore, spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart, oh, yeah. How much you're messing with me, 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 how much you're messing with me.